So this is gonna be your end result. And using the load balancer, see how it's working. So hello guys, in this video we are going to create a tier architecture with load balancer. So in this we are going to build a custom VPC with public plus private subnets. We are going to deploy a web server which is a public, which would be public, then app server, database server. This is going to be a 3-tier architecture. We are also going to use internet gateway, NAT gateway, route tables and security groups. And also we're going to add an application load balancer for high availability. So, and we're going to observe how each layer communicates securely. So let's get started. So starting first, we are going to create a VPC. Okay, create VPC. Then 0.0.0/16, and that's it. Then we're going to create subnets. We are going to create total 4 subnets, 2 public, 1 private, and another also will be a private for database. Okay, so this is our created VPC. So let's get started. Public 1. We are going to need 2 public subnets. Okay, so we can give any 10.0.1.0/24. Okay, then add subnet. We are going to create for public 2, preference, select any, find 0.2.0/24. Yeah, I'll give 4 to this. Okay. Then next one would be private. Private for the app. Okay. This one, first one was for the web. For app, private 10.2.0/24. Next, another last subnet. This one would be for the database. Okay. So, right, DB. This is also going to be a private one, but for DB. And we're not giving any preferences for AZ. 10.0.3.0/24. Okay. And that's it. Just create one. So we've created 4 subnets. Now we're going to go to internet gateway. And we're going to create an internet gateway. ICW create. Okay, attached to VPC. To the VPC which we created. That's it. Now go to NAT gateway. Okay. Create NAT. Okay. Create your select your VPC. Okay, and then create. Go to route tables now. We are going to create 3 route tables. So first one you can say public. Select public RTL, right? Okay. Then you can edit routes. You can add any route. anywhere, right? Internet gateway, select, and then save. Go to subnet associations, edit them. We need, for this is for public, right? So we have a public one and public two. So you're going to save associations. That's it. Now go back, create another route table. This one will be for private route table. Select the VPC, create. Here also you can edit. Now this is for NAT, okay, because this is private NAT and save. Associate with subnet associations. This, okay, that one is for DP. That's it. Now create the third one, which is private database, or you can just say database root table. Create, use your VPC, then go to routes. Or if you don't do anything, that is also fine. Okay. You don't need to select anything from here. Just keep it as it is. That's it. Local only. Now we're going to go to security groups. Create security groups. Security groups, remember we're going to create 4 security groups. Okay. First one would be obviously for web security group. Then this is for web server. Then choose your VPC. Inbound, you're going to add. What we need is HTTP and SSH. So select HTTP. That's it. This is gonna be anywhere. Okay. Add for SSH. Okay. This should be my IP. For outbound, just keep allow all traffic. Okay. That's it. Save security. Next one would be for app SG. This is for application server. In inbound, and you can write 8080. You can say anywhere. Okay, and for outbound also you can allow all and just save. Another would be for database security group. This is for DB server. Choose your VPC. Inbound, you're gonna allow traffic. For outbound, it's gonna be local only. We'll keep it as it is. Okay. Just create security group. That's it. We are done with it. Let's go and launch instances. So the number of instances which we are going to create, we're going to create 2 web server instances. Okay. And total number of 4 instances will be created. 2 will be in the public subnet, and these are the other ones. App server and database. These will be private, and these 2 will be public. So let's launch our instances. So the name of the first one, let's name it as server 1. Keep it Linux. Okay. Keep it public. Enable existing security groups. For this, we are using WebSG. Okay, that's it. Launch instance. Create another instance. But then we're gonna say server 2. Keep it as it is. Select a key pair. Choose your VPC. This is also gonna be public. Enable it. Let's choose public one for this. Select existing. This is also for the public one. That's it. Create another instance. Its name would be app server, another would be database server. Okay. Keep it as it is, select key pair. Choose your VPC. Now this is private, okay? Private. Keep it disabled. Existing security group. So private one is the app SG. So choose that and launch. Create another instance. The last one would be the database one. DB server. Choose the key pair. This is for private DB. Existing security group. Where's the DB? DBSG. Got it. That's it. Launch. Now we're done with this. Now we'll go to CMD. CD downloads. And we are going to connect the first instance because we have a couple of commands which we have to run. Connect server 1 SSH client. Copy this SSH command. Paste it here. Okay. Sudo update, sudo yum update -y. Okay, once it's done, we're going to install the server. Once that's done, we are going to paste those systemctl commands. This is enable. Another one was status. Okay, so it's active running. Once you do that, select this and paste it. Okay, that's it. Hello from server 1 is being reflected. To check this, what we're going to do is we're going to use its public IP, copy it, and check in the incognito mode. That's it. It's reflecting. Now we're going to repeat the same process for web server 2. PD downloads. We're going to connect the instance, the second instance, server 2, connect, copy the SSH command, paste it here. Okay, sudo yum update y then install the ctl commands. Then enable and status. Okay, so it's active running. Next. That's it. Oh, okay, just a second. This is gonna be this. Okay, hello from server 2 is supposed to be the changed message. Then copy this public IP, go over here, paste it, and see if it's, yeah, it's getting reflected. Now what are we gonna do? We're going to create a load balancer, okay? So go to application load balancer. First create target group, okay? So instances target group HTTP instance 80 register both web servers and public subnet. Okay. Choose your VPC, HTTP, next. So our two servers are server 1 and server 2. We're going to select include as pending below because these are our public subnets. Okay. Then next, see do that, just create a target. Now go to load balancers. Create load balancer. Application load balancer. Application load balancer. Choose your VPC. Select these two. Okay. Security groups. Web SG. Right. Use public subnet security ALBSG. Target group. Create load balance. Now, once you're done with this, you're going to test it. Now, how do we test this? We copy this DNS, right? Let the status be active and then we paste it. Or else you can also go and paste it right now. Let's wait. This was from server 1, this was from server 2. And the application load balancer will balance the traffic between the two. It will shift automatically from server 1 to server 2. Okay. So let's just paste a command and just wait. It will also give us a notification here once the status is active. Okay, so the status is active. All right, so it is showing us the output from server 1 to server 2. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial, guys. And what we have done is we have tested the flow. The pages should shift from server 1 to server 2 as we are able to see. So ALB provides high availability by distributing traffic across multiple web servers. Web tier is public but protected by ALB. App tier is private. It fetches data via NAT gateway, and database tier is completely private as there is no internet connection. So this is a real world production architecture example. Okay. So I hope this tutorial is clear. If you have any questions, let me know. And that's it for now. See you in the next one.